Today, we'll talk about how blood, in its different forms, keeps us energized. Food supplies energy, which is made accessible to the cells of the body by oxygen inhaled by the help of our respiratory system and circulated by our circulatory system. At first, we breathe in oxygen through our nose, which then moves into the alveoli of our lungs through the trachea. Now, the alveoli contains oxygen, but the capillaries surrounding the alveoli contain deoxygenated blood, which carries the carbon dioxide which has been formed as a result of respiration in all the cells of the body. The gaseous exchange occurs between the alveoli and the capillaries. Hence, now the capillaries have oxygen-rich blood, while the alveoli have carbon dioxide in them. The carbon dioxide in the alveoli is then exhaled through the trachea and the nose, whereas the oxygenated blood in the capillaries enters the left atrium of the heart through the pulmonary veins. Through the bicuspid valve, the blood from the left atrium enters the left ventricle, which strongly contracts to push the blood into the aorta through the aortic valve, and the aorta branches out into several arteries to distribute the blood in the body. Again, the blood through the capillaries surrounding the various tissues distributes oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide, which is a product of respiration, to become deoxygenated. The deoxygenated blood then travels back to the heart and enters the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. Through the tricuspid valve, the blood from the right atrium moves to the right ventricle, which contracts strongly to push the blood into the pulmonary artery through the pulmonary valve. The pulmonary artery transfers the blood to the lungs, and the gaseous exchange occurs with the alveoli through the capillaries surrounding them. Then the cycle repeats. Thank you for watching.